Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about cloud computing. So basically what is cloud computing? When we didn't have this service or we didn't have this technology, what two companies used to do is they used to store their data in big data warehouses which they had to maintain and bear the cost of it. But now due to the cloud computing, all the data gets stored in the internet and they can access it from anywhere. So a very basic example for cloud computing is your Google Drive, Apple Cloud or Microsoft OneDrive. So all of these are cloud computing. Basically everything gets stored on the internet, and these small companies who actually want to use this data can access this data from anywhere in the world without needing to incur a lot of data warehousing cost or data security cost. So this cloud computing companies like AWS, Microsoft and the other companies, what they do is they maintain this data on the cloud servers. What are these cloud servers? They're nothing but the servers hosted on the internet. So these servers keep the data of different companies which can be accessible from anywhere with the internet connection. So this has made the lives of small businesses very easily, because now they can store data from a lot of years without needing to invest in high data storage costs or data maintenance or data warehouse costs. So this is what cloud computing is. It's basically a new technology to store your data, and efficient technology, I can say, to store your data well. Thank you so much. Happy learning.